this is your first time talking by, you're most definitely welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be relaxing my hair. I was natural for like 8 months or like 8 or 11, I clearly cannot remember, but I relaxed my hair this year, and right now I have a lot of undergrowth, as you can see. So I'm about to relax my hair, show you guys my relax routine. Yeah, let's go. So first things first, you're going to need a bowl to mix your relaxer. You're going to need the relaxer, of course. I'm using the Mega Growth Relaxer. It comes with a shampoo. So what you want to do is cut open the relaxer and turn the content into the bowl, and then mix until you have an even consistency and color. So guys, I've already parted my hair into 4 sections just to make it easier for me to apply the relaxer. So what I'm going to do now is apply shea butter to the perimeter of my scalp and then the lines in between. Okay, so now that is done, time to apply the actual relaxer. I like to go section by section by parting my hair into 2 sections and then applying the relaxer. I'm focusing more on my roots because I have way more undergrowth there. Relaxer. One of the reasons why I like this relaxer step for my entire head. I'm going to saturate my roots with the relaxer, and then I'll come back when it's time for the next step. Okay guys, so I'm done putting the relaxer all over my head, and it's starting to burn a little bit, just a little bit. It starts to tingle. So what I'm going to do now is take my afro comb and then rub the relaxer through my entire section, like my entire head. Just comb through it so that the relaxer can really saturate before I wash it out. Okay, so guys, I'm going to let this sit for like 15 minutes while my water gets hot, and then I'm gonna wash it and decide whether I want to straighten my hair, blow dry, all of it. So yeah. Okay, so guys, it's the next day and I have decided to do my all-time favorite middle part, center part, whatever you want to call it, slick back. I start by sectioning my hair and then working in sections and slicking my hair in sections. So I've already done that to the back, and now I'm going to repeat it for both sides.
not a fan. What do you not understand? Remember all them times when you told me lies. Stayed up all night, all I did was cry. Said, remember all them times when you told me lies. Stayed up all night, and all I did was cry. Now you're acting all hard through the breakup. Only back around here is my makeup. You're putting on too much, I call your cake up. Your foundation's weak, oh yeah, I need a shake up. But you've been fired, boo, so get away from me. Cause it's over, so move over. I told you, no do-overs. Boy, bye, boy, bye, boy, bye, goodbye. Keep it pushing, keep it rolling. I don't want ya, keep it moving. Boy, bye, boy, bye, goodbye. I think it's all overrated. Or could it be that I'm jaded? I don't love you no more. I'm ready to explore. So long to you, thought I knew you. Guess I didn't have your heart. Oh, so long to you, thought I knew you. I'm ready for a brand new start. Acting all hard through the breakup. The only back around here is my makeup. You're putting on too much, call your cake up. Your foundation's weak, oh yeah, I need a shake up. Boy, I'm tired. But you've been fired, boo, so get away from me. Cause it's over, so move over. I told you, no